The Label Errors website shows us lots of classic datasets are filled with labeling problems. What are we going to do about it? Let's dive into how confident learning implemented in CleanLab can help you out. The first step is training a model and then being able to get predictions on an out-of-sample set of data points. Now, a key here is we're going to look at probability among all the classes. So some you see are pretty obvious, like cat seems to make sense. Or if we look at this car, like what is that doing in there? And you can see the model's kind of confused and not giving a strong probability to any of the classes. I'm going to start here by setting a threshold for my class percentile of 90%. So you can see here we're only looking at a small set of the examples that are actually in my out-of-sample data set. Now, if we look at a particular example here, we can see, for example, the model predicted bear at 0.913, which met the threshold. The on-diagonal examples aren't very interesting. What's interesting are the things that are off, because that's where the errors are occurring. Here we see the model has predicted bear at very strongly at 1.0, but look at it, the example's wrong. And in this case, it looks like this is an image that was mislabeled. If we lower our threshold, you'll see we'll have a lot more examples to consider about labeling errors. And there you have it. By looking at where your model's really confident and where that doesn't make sense, CleanLab's able to identify what are places that you potentially have mislabeled data that you can go in and help improve your test set. The package is open source. They have lots of tutorials. It's very easy to get started and a very easy way to check for data quality.